Guys, look at what just came in today. My air fresheners, new car and black ice with the Sally design on it. I am so excited about this. They finally came in, and as you guys can see, I got a lot. This is the second merchandise that I'm dropping with my Sally keychain. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go inside Sally and see how it looks like in the cockpit. I don't know if you guys could see in this video, but every time I walk up this angle, I always look at my tires right there. That is a must change because they are just way too skinny. I can't wait to get something thick. So since I always start my videos with a cold start, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up and show you guys how it sounds like inside the car, just because it's a little bit different. Everything shakes so bad in here. Am I really supposed to find 5 reasons why I hate camshafts? I don't know, but I'm gonna try my best. One of the best things about having a car in a car garage is for this particular reason. You always have to do it. It is a must. And just look how awesome the air freshener looks like in the cockpit. I am so excited. Go to natewriter.com/shop, pick up your air freshener as well as a Sally keychain. So you guys have to understand the type of video that I'm doing, because a lot of you guys kind of get confused with the 5 reasons why I hate something, whether it be my nitrous system that I did last time, my exhaust, or my camshafts that I'm doing right now. Doesn't necessarily mean that I hate it, just I'm pointing out all of the cons related to this specific subject that I'm doing. This video by far is the hardest because this is my favorite mod, but I'm gonna go ahead and try telling you guys the bad things about the camshafts. They're little, but I might as well just make this video. So let's start off with the gas mileage. So before I had the camshafts, I was averaging about 18 miles per gallon. Now that I got the camshafts, I'm at 14.7 average miles per gallon. And I promise you guys, I take the highway most of the time. This is not city driving. So the next con that I have is kind of bad. It's kind of really bad, but if I were to stay here for a couple of seconds, my eyes will start to water. I will start to suffocate because it just stinks so bad. Exhaust is like pouring out. Like it's really, really bad. Like, even if I'm standing out here, it is bad, and you guys know that I'm in a car garage too. So once when I start her up and just like in a 10-foot radius of this car, it is the most stinkiest thing ever. Of course, I got the Catless H-pipe, Shorty H-pipe with the long tube headers and the Steeda charge motion control plates, as well as the JLT cold air intake. But my goodness, guys, it stinks so bad because the emissions are just popping out like nothing. So Mustangs have a bad reputation of accelerating not the quickest, especially with the 05 to 09. The low end torque is not the greatest. With the Ford Performance Hot Rod camshafts, it kind of made it worse and makes up for it in the top end. But with the Ford Performance Hot Rod camshafts, you feel a bit sluggish in the lower RPMs. That's just the way it is. Ask anybody with camshafts, low end torque is not the greatest. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little test run. I did make up for it with the 410 gears, but even that just doesn't quite do it. It's not bad, trust me guys, it's not a huge difference. It is just that minor difference that is there with these camshafts. already followed me, go follow Nate Rider S197 to see this picture I'm about to take right now. And I also want to go ahead and talk about another thing that I really hate about these camshafts is how expensive they are. They're very, very expensive. Just for the camshafts alone, you're spending about $800, and then with the installation, you could pay up to $2,000. So all in all, it is a huge upgrade, that's for sure, but it definitely is worth it. It's not like your basic bolt-on that you could just throw on your car, like a cold air intake or something like that. I would say the difficulty, since I did do the camshafts myself, would be around long tube headers, just because they both have very, very difficult things. With the camshafts, you just need the valve covers and that's it. And with the long tubes, you have to go ahead and lift up the full engine. So it's difficult and it's there, but all in all, just the part itself is $800. What a view. Got to take a picture of this for sure. All right, and then last but certainly not least, we have the power gains all in all. Doing the camshafts, it is a huge install and can be very pricey, like I mentioned before. And you would expect something this big to give you power around 50 horsepower minimum. Of course, with the camshafts, you're not going to get that much power. There is a huge increase in the higher RPMs for the horsepower and torque, but it's nothing crazy. For the forward hot rod camshafts in particular, we're looking at just the aggressive sound, the sick tone, and moderate power gains. That's really all I have to say about these Ford Performance hot rod camshafts. They are my favorite mod. I would do it again 1,000 times and 1,000 times over again. And that's all I really have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. The 5 reasons why I hate camshafts. Just listen. Me to make a 5 reasons why I love my camshafts, which is not going to be 5, and maybe like 10 or 20, comment down below and I'll make sure to do so. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.